let's start recording. Right, guys, I hope that this OBS works correctly tonight and that I don't have too many problems over here. Now, the grid bot, I must say I'm really quite impressed with it. It is now, you can say, 2.5 months, almost 3 months, and this thing has just been producing profits. How much longer is going to continue doing that, I don't know. I think, let me just switch over here to the Gitsbap or Bitsgap, righto, and let's just go and increase the screen over here so that you can see better. Righto, and as you can see over here, you know, all this way here it made money, going up there it made a mega bucks, down here, even coming down here in that downtrend, it was still making money. Yeah, it went back big time into the money. All this way over here, all this time here, it has been producing money. And there it goes up once again. And boys, I can tell you, the amount of money this thing has made me in the last 2.5 months is just unbelievable. Really, the account is looking really very good. I'm very impressed with it. And I'm almost on the point of saying, you know, anybody that really wants to get into the grid bot, maybe you can look into it. It is maybe worthwhile getting into it and starting it off. But that's not what I want to talk to you about today. Let's make that smaller and let's go and click here on vet. Righto. Yeah, I've got the trading view charts up. Okay. And this is what I want to talk to you about. You can see here I made notes. I've made notes everywhere over here as I was trading manually. This is not trading using any robot or anything like that. Excuse me, let me just have a sip of my favorite drink before it gets too cold. Lovely. Okay, so what I've been doing, as you can see here, I've got the Bollinger Band percentage B on its standard default settings, and a 2-hour chart frame, right? I'm working on a 2-hour chart frame over here, and every time it goes in below the 0 line, it's time to buy. Every time. And you can go back as far as you want to. Every time, if you buy like that one, you won't buy. It didn't go below the 0. These two here, you can see. All right, let's go back here. That one there, I didn't see. This one over here, I didn't see that one there, right? I didn't see it. I wasn't watching the chart, so I was busy with something else. That one there, I was by the chart and I saw it and I traded it on the opening of that candle there. The opening of that candle I traded and I made 10%. Now, when the markets are trending, sure, you can go for 10, 15%, even 20% on a trade, and you most probably going to get it. But when the trade, I would say the market is maybe moving sideways or going in a downward trend, then it becomes very hard. And that is why I think in future I'll be going for 5% on each trade. I'll be going for 5% rather. As you can see here, I made a note. When those two, that one there, and that one there as well, that one there as well, when those three went below the 0 line, I didn't trade because I wasn't at the charts. I was busy doing something else. Whatever, doesn't matter. I missed it. This one here, I was at the charts once again. I was watching the charts and I saw the trend. I saw it dipping just below the line. So I placed a trade and I took another 10% over there. Now, this one here, it was on the 28th of February, and this one here was on the 17th of March. You can say it's all within 1 month, right? That I made these two trades over here. So I made 20% within 1 month, just by doing 2 trades. Look how many I skipped over here, right? If I taken that one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% in 1 month. Guys, that is just, I'm telling you, hard to do when you're trading Forex. Really, this is just something that, yeah, I don't know what to say. Honestly, I'm speechless, put it this way. And I must say, Again, I think I said it in a previous video, that to me it seems like the percentage B, Bollinger Band percentage B. Go and put it on a Forex chart, on a, let's say the Euro USD chart, and go and see. It's as though it just doesn't work. Here, it seems to be working every freaking time. For all, like if I said to you, you can buy when it goes under the dip. You can put 10% target in, like I did over there, or you can say, when it breaks out above the mark, above the line, I'm going to close the trade. So what I'm basically going to be doing in the future, I'm thinking of it, maybe 5% or top of the line. Or what I'm going to do is maybe is to put in, let's say, a 10 or a 15% target, or the top of the line, whichever. If we go over the 100% over here, get out of the trade. Or you hit your target, one of the two, whichever comes first. I want to test and see which one is going to give me the best results. Like I said, it's a 2-hour time frame that I'm busy working on, because if you go to a bigger time frame like a 12-hour or a daily, you don't get enough trades. So I said I'd rather go for a little bit more trades, some smaller profit maybe, but a little bit more trades. They look very good. The entries, the strategy looks very good, and I do believe that it can work very, very well. Honestly, I just believe that it can work very good. Looking at all this over here, I can tell you really it's looking very good. So, with that said, guys, let's see this week. I hope this week I'll have some more time that I can sit behind the charts, watching the charts, and finding the entries. And then I'm going to test, like I've just said to you now, by putting, let's say, a 10%, 15% maybe, 20% maybe target, or the top of the line, whichever. When we break out above the one line, close the trade, irrespective if you hit the target or not. Or if you hit the target before you get to the one line, great, by all means. But if you hit the top of the line, you must know it's going to start pulling back in. You can see that it starts pulling back in. Look there. Okay, it still went a little bit more, but it pulls back in to give you the next entry. Guys, with that said, let's see this week what comes up and how things go. Thanks for watching, guys.